Welcome to the September Recipe Box Reveal, where we are defeating the reek. So for new subscribers, your recipe box is going to come inside your big bonus box.
So as a new subscriber, and for every 6 boxes you purchase, we will throw in a free bonus box.
And these ingredients in your big bonus box help your recipe box.
Yep, so it comes with a solid coconut oil, an almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, a beeswax, 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles for all of those master blends you're gonna make, and 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-ons for all the roll-on recipes you're gonna make.
Let's move on to what's in the recipe box. And this gets delivered each month with 4 full-size essential oils plus fun extras. So the essential oils in this month's box are designed to help defeat the reek with blood orange, clove, lemon eucalyptus essential oils in our Defender blend. All these oils smell amazing. They're also really great at deodorizing. So along with those comes 6 recipes that are all designed around stopping stink in stinky places.
And Katie and I tested them prior to them coming to you, so you know they work.
They do work. You also get labels for each of your recipes. So this month you're getting this little cotton bag that you're going to use in a recipe, and also inside that bag are 3 adorable wool balls that you're going to use as a little natural diffuser for a mini car diffuser recipe. And you also get a 2-ounce spray bottle, which is PET plastic, which is considered safe to use with essential oils.
So you get everything that's included on this table for $39.
What? What an amazing deal. It is an amazing deal. All of our recipes are created by certified aromatherapists, so you know that they're safe. We also test and use them. And 13% of all of our profits go to different organizations working to end human trafficking.
And you can go right on our website each month to find out which organization that we have donated to and find out a little bit more about them.
So not only are you making a difference in your own home, you're changing lives as well. So make sure you go to simplyearth.com/box to check out this recipe box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Our
Dump them out, dump them out, dump them out.
They don't want to dump.